Okay, today I'm introducing you to the unit circle. Look at the circle as you see in the picture. A circle in the coordinate plane is the unit circle. The center is at the origin, which you know is 0, 0. The radius is 1 unit. The equation of the unit circle, and you'll learn this in the next chapter. We'll absolutely go into detail. But to start us off, the equation is x squared plus y squared equals 1. Okay. Now, the angle in standard position. We've been talking about angles. In standard position has the vertex at the origin and its initial side along the positive x-axis. That's this. Here's your initial side. That's the ray that starts our angle. And where it ends is called the terminal side. Remember, the angles are made of sides. And we look at the angle measure going in a counterclockwise. And instead of using a variable, we're going to use the Greek letter theta as the unknown angle measure. Okay, so if the terminal side rotates counterclockwise, remember when we did rotations, the angle measure is positive. If the terminal side rotates clockwise, the angle measure is negative. So you can have negative angle measures. Now, we talked about this briefly the other day. Another way to represent angle measures, instead of degrees, we talked about it's called radians. Now, think of a full circle. A full circle is 360 degrees. In radians, it actually equals 2 pi radians. Therefore, halfway would equal 1 pi. We'll call rad. Okay, now think about this. The circumference of a circle, when r is 1, that means one time around the circle, is 2 pi units. So here is our circle, whether it's degrees starting at 0, ending at 360, or radians starting at 0, ending at 2 pi radians. Excuse me. We can convert back and forth from radians to degrees and degrees to radians. So think about it. I want to convert 120 degrees into radians. Well, in radians, I need pi in my answer. That's why I'm going to multiply by pi over 180. can do the reverse. We want to get rid of our pi, so pi goes in the denominator. Please don't forget when you're writing in radians, you need the little RAD at the end. We'll talk about these two circles next week. Think about it though. We'll start by drawing a picture. Our initial side, our terminal side of our unit circle, we'll talk about the rest next week.